Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and well at your home. Now students, once again let us continue our classes. And students, today we are going to discuss another very important topic in mathematics. And what is the next topic? Yes, it is rounding off to nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Right students? So today we will learn how we can round off the numbers to 10, 100 and 1000. Before doing that, very first, what is round off? Round off. Why we do this round off in mathematics? What is this concept of rounding off? So rounding off actually means to find something in estimate, or you can say in approximate. For example, if you went to a departmental store and you are purchasing some goods there, and if you see a label of rupees 99 tag, if you will see a tag of rupees 99 on the material, then what you will say? Is it 99 only, or you will say that the item is approximately of 100 rupees. So that means it is an estimation. This is a rounding off of 99 to nearest 100. So in that case, we can say that round off to 99 to nearest 100 is actually 100. Now, how we have done this rounding off? What is the process of doing this rounding off? That's we will learn today in our this lesson. So very first, if we start with what is rounding off. So rounding means when a question asks you to round or estimate, both the words having the same meaning, round off or estimate. You are being asked about how many. How many means what is the nearest value, whether it is in the terms of tens, 100 or thousands. Okay students. So starting up with this, at this initial stage, the most easiest way of rounding off to the numbers is using a number line, and we will learn how to round off the numbers to nearest 10, 100, 1000 by using a number line. So my first question is round off of 36 to the nearest 10. If it is said that you have to round off 36 to nearest 10. So in that case, very first on the number line, 36. What is the lower value in terms of tens? It is 30. And what is the upper value for 36? It will be 40. That means we can say that number 36 will lie between 30 and 40. It lies between these two numbers. After making the number line of 30 to 40, we will subdivide this portion of 30 to 40 into 10 equal divisions. Right students? So that will be numbered as 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38 and 39. After that, you have to find out where this number 36 is lying. So 36 is lying at this place, right? Now, you have to check whether 36 is nearer to 30 or is it nearer to 40. So students, as you can see here, 36 is farther from 30 and it is nearer to 40. Since 36 is nearer to 40, so the nearest 10 of 36 is actually 40. Okay students, so this is how you can do the round off by using a number line. So this is our first example in which we have rounded off 36 to nearest 10. Moving forward, and let us take some more questions from your book exercise. In the second part, you have to round off 74 to the nearest 10. Now, 74 to nearest 10. So, once again, between which two numbers we have to prepare the number line? We will prepare the number line between 70 and 80 because 74 lies between 70 and 80. So, preparing the number line and then dividing the portion into 10 equal parts. So, it is 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78 and 79. Okay. So, these are the 10 equal divisions. After doing the division, now we have to see where is our 74? So 74 is lying at this place. Now, is it nearer to 70 or is it nearer to 80? Yes, 74 is much nearer to 70. And that's why we have put a circle here. That means 74 is nearer to 70. Therefore, the nearest 10 of 74 is 70. Or you can say the round off of 74 to nearest 10 is 70. Clear, students? So, this is the concept of rounding off to nearest 10. Now, let us move forward, and if it is being said that you have to round off the number to nearest 100. So, when it is nearest 100, that's very obvious. When we were talking about nearest 10, we have taken a division of 10. So, that means between 10's value. Now, since it is 100, so we will take it in the 100 place value. That means 3-digit places. So, here this number 165 will lie between 100 and 200, since we have to round off to hundreds. So, it is lying between 100 and 200, and once again we will make 10 equal divisions between 100 and 200, that is 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180 and 190. Then what is the next process? Yes, we have to check whether this number 165 will lie. So yes, number 165 is lying between 160 and 170, between these two numbers. Now, between these two numbers means to which value it is nearer? Is it nearer to 100 or is it nearer to 200? Yes, students, it is clearly visible that this number 165, which is lying here, is nearer to 200. That's why we can say that the nearest 100 of 165 is 200. So, we have done the round off of 165 to nearest 100, and the answer is 200. This is an estimate value. Clear? Let us take one more example. Now, you have to round off 486 to nearest 100. So, once again 486. So, what will be the range we will take? We will take a range of 400 to 500. That means your number 486 will lie between 400 to 500. After that, we will do the division of 10 here. So, it is 400, 410, 420, 430, 440, 450 followed till 490. Okay, students. Then, after making the division, next way is to check where our number 486 is lying. So, our number 486 will lie between 480 and 490. And to which value it is nearer? Is it nearer to 400 or 500? Yes, it is nearer to 500. So, that's why the nearest 100 of 486 is 500. Okay, students. So, the rule and concept of using the number line to find the nearest, or you can say the rounding off of the number, is same. It is just that the divisions may change in terms of tens, 100 or 1000. Let us take one more example, and now we have to round off 3760 to nearest thousands. So, since it is 1000, so that's very obvious, we have to take a gap of thousands here. So, our number 3760 will lie between 3000 and 4000. When it is lying between 3000 and 4000, now we will make a partition of 100. So, it is 3100, 3200, 3300, 3400, 3500, 3600, 3700, 3800 and 3900. So, students, after doing the partition, now we will see where our number 3760 is lying. So, our number 3760 will lie between 3700 and 3800. It will lie somewhere between these two values. Now, if the number is lying between these two values, so is it nearer to 3000 or is it nearer to 4000? Yes, very obvious. It is clearly visible that this number is nearer to 4000. and hence we can say that the nearest thousands of 3760 is 4000, or you can say the round off for 3760 is 4000. Now students, I hope this is clear to all of you. Taking one last example, round off of 7165 to nearest 1000. So once again this number 7165 lies between 7000 and 8000, making the partition as we have done earlier. Now this number 7165 lies here somewhere between 7100 and 7200. In that case, to which value it is nearer? Yes, it is nearer to 7000, and hence the round off for this number 7165 to nearest 1000 is 7000. Clear students? I hope you have understood how to round off the numbers to nearest 10, 100 and 1000 very clearly. So students, that's all for today's lesson. Kindly go through your book exercise and complete your questions in your notebook. Thank you for the lesson students. Have a great day.